In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from a broken iPhone to a MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to go over the main ways in which you will be able to salvage your data from an iPhone that's broken and transfer it over to a MacBook. So this is going to depend on whether or not you had a backup set up beforehand, and also if the iPhone is able to be powered on. If the iPhone is not able to be powered on, it is a little bit more difficult. However, the first solution should help you regardless of what problems you are having with your iPhone. So, if you had an iCloud setup beforehand, you will be able to access all of your data on your MacBook, including your photos, drive, notes, and so on. In this case, it's as simple as visiting the iCloud website. So at iCloud.com, you can sign in with the same Apple account that you used on your iPhone, and anything that was backed up to iCloud will be accessible on your MacBook, and you can download stuff locally. So everything will be available for you to access, manage, and download without any issues. However, this expects you to have had an iCloud backup set up beforehand. If you didn't have a backup good to go and your iPhone is now broken, then you don't have too many remaining options. If the iPhone does power on, then the next best solution would be to plug it into a MacBook or a laptop, whatever you have, with a cable. This should allow you to access all of your data. Even if the screen itself is broken, as long as the iPhone can be powered on, all of the data will be accessible with no issues. So you plug it in using a standard USB cable and everything will be available here. So music, movies, TV shows, photos, files, and so on. And it is going to be detected right away. This will work if you have a MacBook, even for a Windows PC, Windows laptop, and the bare minimum is that the device powers on, even if this display is broken. Now, in the extreme case where the device is not powering on and you did not have an iCloud backup, it basically becomes impossible. You need one of these things to be able to salvage your data with ease. So you either need to be able to download the iCloud backup that was set up beforehand, or the device needs to be turned on, even if the display doesn't work, and then you can salvage the data by plugging it into an external device. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.